Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can forward Telegram's private message or channel or any video from a private channel. So let's get started. So now, if you're trying to forward a video from a private Telegram channel, there may be some restrictions in place. So this is a helpful message that I found. So I suggest you not use any bot as this bot that actually allows you to forward a video from your private channel will get access to your privacy. And if someone disabled it, meaning almost every private channel will disable that feature. All right. So if you're trying to forward a video from a private Telegram channel, there may be some restrictions in place. The center can disable the following feature to protect content or control privacy. So anyway, if you see a message like forwarding disabled, so like this, forwarding disabled. So that means the restriction is in place. And my advice is to respect the sender's preference. And if you don't, if you want to do it anyway, you can use Junction Bot. Just simply click on Start, and it will take you to your Telegram, and just click Start Bot. And then all you have to do is create a command like type slash new on your message, and the bot will start. This will set up the forwarding system for your private channel. Next, use this command setting channel. Yes, and this sets the bot to forward messages instead of just copying them. You can set this uh, after typing this, just change the delivery mode to forward client. And after the rule is placed, you can use this command called history, and it will forward the existing messages including the video and using the settings you just configured. Now your video is forwarded. All you have to do is use this junction bot, and always be cautious when using third-party bots like this as they can access everything. And remember, it's better to reach out and ask if you're unsure about sharing. So I have found this forum. I'll paste this link in the description so you can watch all the restrictions they said about forwarding a private video on Telegram.